Did you know that the areas under your furniture are some of the dustiest spots in your home, often overlooked during routine cleaning? There's now a vacuum that not only gets to those neglected places, but does so intelligently, thinking for itself, navigating every corner, and even giving itself a shower after a hard day's work. This is the Roborock Qrevo Slim, and it might be the best cleaning sidekick you never knew you needed. There is a lot to go over with this one, but if you want to check it out for yourself, I will have a link down in the description below. First up, let's talk about this design. The Roborock Qrevo Slim is, well, slim. At just 3.23 inches tall, this thing gets under more furniture than you ever could. Forget trying to shove a traditional vacuum into those tight spaces under your bed or couch, or even trying to get another robot vacuum to enter these same places. The Qrevo Slim makes it look easy, sliding under all those low-profile clearance spots where dust bunnies are born, and trust me, it leaves no survivors. This ultra-thin profile is essential if you've ever dealt with neglected areas in your home. And let's be honest, those forgotten corners and beneath furniture regions that build up over time. The Qrevo Slim simply takes care of those areas. The Qrevo Slim has the tools to handle it effectively. Next up, let's talk about smart navigation. This is where the StarSight autonomous system comes in. This leverages dual light solid state LiDAR tech for 3D depth sensing. This technology allows the vacuum to gain true 3D spatial awareness, resulting in precise localization, comprehensive mapping, and reliable obstacle avoidance. This turns out to be vastly superior when compared to more traditional navigation technologies on other robot vacuums. It also utilizes a high sampling frequency of 38,400 Hertz and over 21,600 sensor points to capture detailed information. This helps the vacuum accurately navigate and clean even challenging areas like suspended cabinets or furniture with thin legs. And that combination of 3D sensors and RGB camera ensures the Qrevo Slim can recognize and avoid obstacles down to as small as 3 centimeters wide and tall. That's 3 times more precise than previous models like the S8 Pro Ultra. It can recognize 73 different objects and obstacles. Things like cables on the floor, stray shoes, or even your cat lounging in the way, and adjusts its path accordingly. It's smart enough to create maps that evolve with your home too. So if you get a new chair or did you move the coffee table, the Qrevo Slim will adapt. It's constantly learning and optimizing its path for peak efficiency. Next, let's talk cleaning power. Roborock didn't hold back here. The Qrevo Slim boasts 11,000 pascals of suction power, which is basically like a little tornado roaming around your living room, devouring every crumb, pet hair, and speck of dust. And it's not just powerful, it is precise. But what makes it extra smart is the Flexi Arm side brush. This arm is flexible enough to stretch into corners and against walls, and even under those hard to reach overhangs. So all those corners and edges, you can consider them done. The Flexi Arm is equipped with advanced sensors and a flexible joint mechanism to make sure nothing gets left behind. And that suction power isn't just about being impressive in the number, it actually translates into real world efficiency. Carpets, hardwood floors, pet hair, whatever you've got is handled. But hold on, the Qrevo Slim isn't just about vacuuming, it's also a mopping pro. Equipped with dual spinning mops, it uses constant pressure and also uses the same Flexi Arm technology that I mentioned a minute ago. That means that the mops can adapt and swing out into those tricky edges and corners too, ensuring that every spot gets a shine. If your floors are a mix of hard surfaces and high traffic areas, the bot has you covered there. And if you have carpet, it'll even lift up the mop so that it doesn't get the carpet wet. The dual spinning mops work great on hardwood floors as they actively scrub rather than just gliding. Oh, and those sticky spots in the kitchen, the mops apply consistent pressure to lift them away. So whether it's water stains or everyday grime. And then there's the multifunctional dock 3.0. Here's what makes this more than just a place for the Qrevo Slim to rest, because it does a lot. Aside from charging up the device, it also washes the mops. After a cleaning session, the base automatically scrubs the mops clean with hot water and then uses warm air to dry them so there's no musty odors. The dock also features smart water management. When it refills the water tank, it ensures the robot is always ready to mop again without missing a beat. And for those of us who can't stand emptying dust bins every other day, The auto empty feature means you'll be dealing with the dust bag every couple of months at most. The base station is like a personal assistant for the vacuum itself because it's handling all the annoying parts of maintenance so you don't have to. And with the seamless compatibility with all your favorite smart home assistants, Alexa, Google, and Siri, you can control everything remotely with simple voice commands. And there's even an iPhone home screen widget and an Apple Watch app for quick and easy access. Whether you're a pet owner dealing with constant shedding, a busy professional with no time to clean, or just someone who loves tech that makes life easier, the Qrevo Slim is built for you. Again, if you want to check it out for yourself, I do have a link down in the description below. Let me know what you think. Would you get one of these for your smart home? Drop your thoughts in the comments and I'll meet you there for further discussion. Thanks for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andru Edwards and I will catch you in the next video.